Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to fly and connect this E99 Drone Pro at the first time. Okay, first of all you need to insert the battery to the remote control of this drone, so it will use this 3 of the AA type battery. And on the mobile phone, follow its instruction on the manual. You need to download this app. It's called Wi-Fi Scam. Okay, after that I'm gonna fly it with the remote control first, and then we will try to connect it to the mobile phone. Press this turn on button to your drone. Press and hold until you can see a light blinking to the eye of the drone, and then turn on your remote control with this on off button. And now it's connect to your drone and to fly your drone. Now you need to rotate your left and right controls button. Okay. And now you see your drone is now already connected to the remote. The wing is rotated. Ping. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect the drone remote control to this E99 Drone Pro. And now, thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.